Hello everyone, welcome to this quick review of the Designer Studios Starry switches. I got this over from Squishy Types, one of my favorite online shops for your switches and keyboard needs. So I've been using these switches for around 3 weeks right now, and I am really impressed and really happy with these switches. Let's go over the quick specs. These are linear switch made up of mixed materials for the top housing, a JWK P3 stem, and high polymer mixed material again for the bottom housing. It has a very long 20 millimeter spring with a 63.5 gram bottom out, which I find perfect. The typing experience, the typing feeling is really good. Now, I used this stock for a week and it's really good. I'm really happy with its stock. And then just recently, I lubed them up. Although stock, there's a small bit of scratchiness and a very tiny amount of spring ping, but it's really not even noticeable on actual usage. So I don't think for beginners out there who want to try the switch out, I don't even think that you would feel the need to lube it. I do notice, however, that after lubing it, the sound profile changes a bit from very loud and very bordering clacky sound profile. It becomes more clean, more muted, but still loud, more muted and tamed in a way, which I actually prefer. These are not cheap switches. They fall under the premium price range of switches, but it's because they're really good, and it also looks amazing. There's a little bit of a glitter in them. It really matches my QK65 because I have the white and blue QK65. Okay. So at the end of this review, I'll give you my sound test for the stock and for the lube on the QK65, as well as I used it on the Tiger 80. Really sounds good. How do I describe it? If Zakus are your clacky, loud switches and Epsilons are your thocky loud switches, the Starry switches kind of fall in between. They're loud. They're loud, maybe as loud as the Epsilons. On stock specifically, they are very clacky, but not as clacky as the Zakus. So probably, depending on your board, like on the QK65, I would describe the sound as a bit of clock, somewhere in between. And probably I would describe these switches as being crunchy. So malutong, all right? Not in a bad way, not spring crunch, not leaf crunch. Crunchy sound profile. That's how I would describe them. Okay? So again, in the middle, I describe the switches based from the switches that I've tried. It's somewhere in the middle of Zakus and Epsilons. So really good switches. So for those of you who want to try it out, I do suggest trying them out. You won't be disappointed. Really smooth. I love the spring feeling and I love the sound profile. So that's it. Designer Studios Starry Switch. Okay. Thumbs up. Really good switches. All right. So please like and subscribe. I will post some more sound tests of these switches on my other keyboards. I usually post individual sound tests on my shorts video, so you can like and subscribe to check those out. All right. So Tiger 80 review coming up in a few days. It will be out. Really excited for that. See you guys on the next video.